Welcome to the Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education in Bangalore, the first of its kind for the Tibetan community, both in India and globally. Founded in 2008 under the auspices of the Tibetan Children's Village, Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education aims to blend modern education with a strong foundation in Tibetan culture, empowering students to become self-reliant leaders. With programs recognized by Bangalore University, we offer undergraduate degrees in arts, computer applications, and business administration, along with specialized courses in Tibetan studies. Our mission is to cultivate passionate lifelong learners who embrace Tibetan values and serve their communities with integrity. Our dedicated faculty members foster a rich learning environment, encouraging research, projects, and a deep engagement with Tibetan culture. At the heart of our academic excellence is the Research Center for Tibetan Studies. Established to fulfill the vision of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, it provides unique research opportunities for students. Here, students can delve into various topics, including Tibetan literature, history, medicine, and Buddhist studies. Our aim is to make ancient wisdom accessible to future generations using modern research methodologies. This center not only enhances academic standards, but also equips students, especially graduates from monastic universities, to pursue PhD degrees in Tibetan studies recognized worldwide. Spanning over 45 acres, our campus provides modern facilities, including hostels, a health center, and recreational areas. Students enjoy a vibrant campus life filled with academic and extracurricular opportunities. We celebrate our roots through cultural observances and provide opportunities to learn languages like Tibetan and Chinese, reinforcing our unique heritage. Join us on this exciting journey of education and cultural preservation at Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education. Your support and ideas are vital for our continued growth. Thank you for exploring the Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education.